Hi, today's experiment is called Sprout Up. In this experiment, we're going to test the conditions that work best for germinating seeds. From your kit, you're going to need your measuring spoon, your water-absorbing polymer crystals, 4 small test tubes, your test tube holder, your beaker, and tweezers. From home, you'll just need to supply a bag of fast-growing seeds and some water. Into test tubes 1 and 2, you're going to add 1 small level spoonful of the polymer crystals. Do the same for test tube number 2. Then add 15 milliliters of water. Test tube number 1. And test tube number 2. To each of these test tubes, add some of your fast-growing seeds. Make sure to use your tweezers when placing the seeds into the test tubes to avoid using your fingers and getting some of the oils on your fingers on the seeds. In test tube number 3, you're going to add 1 small spoonful of polymer crystals and some seeds. In test tube number 4, you'll add 1 small spoonful of polymer crystals, 15 milliliters of water, and you'll also add some seeds. A little more. There. Now, test tube number 1 has the polymer crystals, the water, the seeds, air, and light. Test tube number 2 has the polymer crystals also. It also has water, it also has seeds, it also has air and light, but the difference is we're actually going to put this one in the refrigerator so it will be cold. Test tube number 3 has the polymer crystals, air, light, seeds, and warmth. And test tube number 4 has the polymer crystals, water, seeds, light, but we're going to cover it up so it doesn't have any air. Record your results over the next couple of days in your My Scientific Discoveries booklet to see which one of these conditions work best for germinating seeds.